Hi there, are you struggling to keep up with your social media marketing? In today's video, I'm going to share some very powerful ways that AI can elevate your social media strategy to the next level, whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing efforts. These tips will help you work smarter, not harder. Stay tuned until the end for a very special offer that will help you dive deeper into online business success. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is personalized content recommendations. AI can analyze your audience behavior to suggest content that resonates with them. For example, tools like BuzzSumo use AI to find trending topics in your niche so you can create posts that are more likely to be shared and liked. This means you're not shooting in the dark with your content, which is tailored to what your audience wants to see, which helps to increase the engagement and the conversions. Moreover, AI can also segment your audience based on their interests and post interactions with your content. This allows you to create personalized content streams for different groups, making your audience feel understood and highly valued. Personalized content doesn't just grab attention, it also builds trust, which is crucial for converting followers into customers. Now, to take it a step further, you can use AI to automate the distribution of this personalized content across various platforms. Tools like Hootsuite, Amplify, can automatically schedule and post the most relevant content at optimal times, ensuring your message reaches the right people when they're most likely to engage. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is chatbots for customer engagement. AI-powered chatbots are game changers for real-time customer engagement. These AI bots can handle inquiries 24/7, ensuring that your audience always has access to the information that they need, even outside business hours. For instance, if someone asks about your latest products on Facebook Messenger, an AI chatbot can instantly provide details and even guide them to purchase. Beyond just answering questions, AI chatbots can be programmed to initiate conversations based on user behavior. For example, if a customer has been browsing a product page for a while, the chatbot can pop up to offer assistance or a discount code, increasing the chances of a sale. This proactive engagement keeps potential customers from slipping away. Moreover, these chatbots also collect highly valuable data on customer preferences and pain points, which you can then analyze to refine your marketing strategy. By understanding common customer concerns and questions, you can tailor your social media content to address these areas, making your posts highly relevant and far more helpful. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is AI-driven analytics. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of social media data to provide actionable insights that would take a human team hours to uncover. For example, platforms like Sprout Social use AI to break down engagement metrics, helping you to understand which types of posts perform best and why they do. This insight allows you to focus your efforts on what truly works, helping you optimize your strategy for better results. AI analytics go beyond simple metrics like likes and shares. They can dive deep into sentiment analysis, helping you understand how your audience feels about your online brand. For instance, if your posts receive a lot of angry reactions, AI can identify the cause, allowing you to address any issues very quickly. This level of analysis helps you to maintain a very positive brand image. In addition, AI can predict future trends by analysing historical data and current social media conversations. This means you can stay ahead of the curve, creating content that aligns with emerging trends before they explode. By being proactive rather than reactive, your brand positions itself as a leader in the industry. Let me now give you tip number 4, which is content creation assistance. AI tools like Canva and Jasper can significantly speed up your content creation process. Canva uses AI to suggest design templates which are based on your past creations, making it much easier to produce visually appealing posts without needing graphic and design skills. Jasper, on the other hand, can help generate engaging copy for your posts, blog articles, or even video scripts, ensuring your messaging is always on point. These tools don't just save time, they also ensure consistency across your social media channels. For example, by using AI to maintain a cohesive visual and textual style, you strengthen your brand's identity, making it more recognizable and memorable to your audience. Consistency is key in building trust and brand loyalty. Moreover, AI can also help with repurposing content. If you have a well-performing blog post, AI tools can generate several social media snippets from it, each tailored for different platforms. This means you can get more mileage out of your content, ensuring that it reaches a broader audience without the need to constantly create new material from scratch. Let's now move on to tip number 5, which is audience targeting and segmentation. AI can take the guesswork out of audience targeting by analysing data to create detailed customer personas. Tools like HubSpot use AI to segment your audience based on demographics, behaviour and engagement patterns, allowing you to tailor your social media campaigns to specific groups. This targeted approach increases the likelihood of your content resonating with the right people, leading to higher conversion rates. For instance, if AI identifies that a segment of your audience is particularly interested in eco-friendly products, you can create a campaign that highlights your brand's sustainability efforts. By speaking directly to their interests, you're more likely to capture their attention and earn their loyalty. Additionally, AI-driven targeting allows for more efficient ad spend. Rather than casting a wide net with your ads, AI can ensure your budget is spent only on those most likely to convert. This not only improves your return on investment, but also reduces waste, allowing you to allocate resources to other areas of your marketing strategy. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is social listening with AI. Social listening tools like BrandWatch use AI to monitor conversations around your brand and industry in real time. This allows you to tap into what your audience is saying, whether it's feedback on your products or discussions about competitors. By staying informed, you can respond to trends or issues as they arise, ensuring your brand remains relevant and highly engaged. For example, if AI detects a sudden spike in discussions about a particular product feature, you can quickly create content that addresses this interest. This immediate response not only meets the current demand, but also shows your audience that you're attentive and responsive to their needs, enhancing your brand's online reputation. Moreover, social listening can help you identify potential crises before they escalate. If negative sentiments start to arise, AI can alert you early, giving you the chance to address the issues before it impacts your brand's image. Proactive crisis management can save your brand from significant damage and maintain customer trust. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is influencer marketing with AI. AI can streamline your influencer marketing efforts by helping you find the right influencers for your online brand. Tools like Influencity use AI to analyze influencer profiles, evaluate their reach, engagement, and audience demographics to determine if they align with your target market. This ensures that you partner with influencers who can genuinely boost your brand's visibility and credibility. For instance, AI can help you avoid influencers who may have large followings but low engagement rates, ensuring your investment yields better results. It can also suggest micro-influencers who, despite having smaller audiences, have far more authentic and impactful connections with their followers, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Additionally, AI can track the performance of your influencer campaigns in real time, providing insights into which collaborations are driving the most engagement and sales. This data allows you to optimize future partnerships, focusing on influencers who deliver the best return on investment for your online brand. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is predictive analytics for content planning. Predictive analytics powered by AI can revolutionize your content planning. Tools like CoSchedule can analyze post content performance and predict which types of posts are likely to succeed in the future. This means you can create content with confidence, knowing it's more likely to resonate with your audience and drive more engagement. For example, if predictive analytics show that your audience engages with video content on the weekends, you can schedule your video posts accordingly, maximizing their impact. This level of planning ensures your content is always timely and relevant, leading to better results. Moreover, predictive analytics can help you identify gaps in your content strategy. If AI suggests that certain topics or formats are underrepresented, you can adjust your plan to cover these areas, ensuring a well-rounded and comprehensive social media presence. This proactive approach keeps your content fresh and engaging, preventing audience fatigue. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're great for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own very successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action now and click the link below to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.